Hello, this is my presentation. My name is Eduardo Andres Calderon Alfonso. I am 25 years old. I study agronomy fourth semester course. I am very single. I like to work and I invest in business. I am very supportive of others, but sometimes I am serious. I live in a farm near a small town called Icononso of the department of Tolima. So, now I will make comparison of the following three tomato plants. The first plant has more flowers than the second plant. The second plant is less productive than the first plant. The first plant is less green than the second plant. The first plant taller than the second plant. The first plant has fruit larger than the second plant. The second plant has leaves larger than the first plant. Thank you. Goodbye.